Coconut oil as a moisturizer. Coconut oil is a natural and affordable moisturizer that can be used on your face, body, and even hair. Apply a small amount to dry areas to hydrate and soften the skin. Coffee grounds as a body scrub. Mix used coffee grounds with a bit of olive oil or coconut oil to create a natural exfoliating scrub. Gently massage it onto your body to remove dead skin cells and reveal smoother skin. Honey and lemon face mask. Mix equal parts of honey and freshly squeezed lemon juice to create a face mask. Apply it to your face, leave it on for 15 minutes, and then rinse off. This mask can help brighten your skin and even out your complexion. Tea bags for puffy eyes. Place cooled, used tea bags, chamomile or green tea work well, on your eyelids for a few minutes. The natural antioxidants and tannins in the tea can help reduce puffiness and soothe tired eyes. Baking soda as a teeth whitener. Dip your toothbrush in baking soda and brush your teeth with it to help remove surface stains and brighten your smile. However, use this method sparingly as baking soda can be abrasive. Avocado hair mask. Mash a ripe avocado and mix it with a tablespoon of olive oil. Apply the mixture to your hair, focusing on the ends. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. This mask can help moisturize and nourish your hair. Sugar and olive oil lip scrub. Mix equal parts of granulated sugar and olive oil to create a homemade lip scrub. Gently massage it onto your lips in circular motions to remove dry, flaky skin. Rinse off and apply lip balm for soft and smooth lips.